This video will show you how to purchase vehicles on the Harley-Davidson Dealer Exchange. To access the Harley-Davidson Dealer Exchange, or HDDX, go to our homepage at hd-dealerexchange.com. Enter your username and password and click Login. Your login is the same as your NPA login. After logging in, you will be directed to the My Account page, which lists details about your user profile, recent purchases, bidding history, and open invoices. Item Browse page. Top navigation bar, click Buy, and you'll be redirected to the Item Browse page. This page lists all available inventory on HDDX. This page lists pertinent information about each unit, such as year, make, model, VIN, vehicle location, along with last bid amount, time left, and watch box. Vehicle Details page. Once you've identified a vehicle you'd like to purchase, click on the image to view more information. You will be redirected to the Vehicle Details page. This page allows you to view the condition report, place a bid, and view bidding history. Images. Click the small thumbnails to enlarge the image or scroll over to show more details. Time left. This is the amount of time the unit will be listed on HDDX and available to purchase. Condition Report tab. This tab provides you with a comprehensive overview of the bike's structural, cosmetic, and mechanical condition. Each vehicle is scored on a scale of 1 to 90, 90 being the highest. If there is no score or states not rated, NPA was unable to score that component due to a dead battery, no keys, or item does not exist on this vehicle. Bid History tab. This tab shows you the auction bid history of this unit. When a bid was placed, by whom, and for how much. Recently Viewed tab. Recently Viewed will show you any vehicle that you have clicked on or showed interest in. You will see the item number and current high bid. To be taken to that vehicle again, simply click the year, make, and model, and you will be directed to the Vehicle Details page. Place Bid. This tab will show you the item number, VIN, docs, color, location, miles or hours, any vehicle notes, and book. Click to be taken to the NPA Value Guide. To bid on this unit, enter your bid amount, your max bid, and your password. Then click Place Bid. A pop-up will show asking to confirm your bid. Click OK to confirm. Max Bid allows a dealer to put in a max amount and have the computer bid for the dealer until the max bid runs out or you are the winning bid. Dynamic Bidding. Upon the end of the auction, if there are multiple dealers bidding on the same unit, that unit will remain open until there has been 5 minutes of no bid activity. Important things to know. 1. NPA does not retract bids. 2. Buyer is responsible for shipping. 3. Payment must be received within 2 business days of purchase. 4. You will be assessed a buyer's fee. Dealers will receive the following notifications regarding units they have shown interest in: increased bid notification, outbid notification, winning bid notification, and last chance offers. For questions regarding the Harley-Davidson Dealer Exchange, please contact Mike McDonald at 858-726-2107 or mmcdonald@npauctions.com. Thank you for watching.